Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to update an email contact information in Brevo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first, log into your Brevo account, then go to CRM, and you will see a list of your email subscribers. You can see them all from here. Later, you can jump to the second page. Let's edit, for example, this email contact or email subscriber. Simply, let's say I want to edit the first name, click on it like that, and add or update the first name. You can also update the email, any information about this contact. You can also edit the email status, subscription status, from subscriber to blocklisted. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom builders academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. And you can block all senders specifically for this email. There are multiple things that you can do. After that, don't forget to click the save button. As you see, attribute updated. And this is how to edit the email subscriber information in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.